A very good morning to all my dear champions. We are already done with half of the chapter and now we are going to do our second half. So let's start. So this is the first picture that I really wanted you guys to see. This is your planetarium. Now what is it? It's kind of a cinema hall, okay, in which you can see seats are there, people are sitting there, and above all, what is there? There is a 3D screen in which you can see and you can feel the space. Now, what comes there in space? Everything, all the planets, sun, moon, earth, everything is there. All the stars are there. And people can see and study the universe just by sitting into the planetarium. Moon, the natural satellite of Earth. Moon is the only natural satellite that revolves around the Earth. But it has no atmosphere. That means it doesn't have any life there. It does not have its own light, but it reflects the light of the sun. Keep this in mind. Moon does not have its own light. It just reflects the light from the sun. The moon is 3,84,403 kilometers away from the earth. It is very, very far. The picture that you can see is of Neil Armstrong. He was the first person to step onto the surface of the moon. The picture that you can see here is of Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian and 138th person to travel into space on 2nd of April 1984. He was the squadron leader in the Indian Air Force. The program in which he went there was a joint program between Indian Space Research Organization, that is the ISRO, and the Soviet Interkosmos space program. He and the other astronauts spent 8 days in space aboard the Salyut 7. That was the Salyut 7 space station where they stayed. The government of India honored Rakesh Sharma with the Ashoka Chakra. Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was an Indian American astronaut. Now, how Indian American? Because she was born in India but she was a citizen of America. So, she was an Indian American astronaut and space shuttle mission specialist. She was born on 17th of March 1962 in Karnal, that is in Haryana, that is a state of India. She joined NASA. NASA is National Aeronautics and Space Administration in 1995. Her first space mission began on 19th of November 1997. She was the second Indian and the first Indian origin woman to fly to space. Such an honor. Her first space mission began on 19th of November 1997. She was a part of the 6 astronaut crew that flew the Space Shuttle Columbia flight STS-87. She was the second Indian to fly to space and the first Indian origin woman to do so. She was aboard the Space Shuttle Columbia, which disintegrated on its way back to the Earth on 1st of February 2003. Before starting a discussion, I just want you guys to do an activity regarding this. Now what you guys have to do, you have to draw a well-labeled diagram of solar system on an A4 size sheet or chart paper. Color it well, make it more nice, hold it in your hands and get the picture clicked. And rest, you have to send that picture to my personal window. You have to submit your work till Monday. Monday will be your last line to submit your work. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.